how to add text in Roblox Studio. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, I'll just open up a game that I made a while ago. So I'll just click on it. Let's just wait for it to open up. Afterwards, we'll be redirected here. So to add text to your game right here in Roblox Studio, what you want to do is just simply right click on your mouse. Afterwards, just simply click on insert part, and then there you go. As you can see that we have now added a part right here in Roblox Studio. Afterwards, what you want to do is to go to the right side over here and then just head on to Explorer. So to add text, what you want to do is go to your part right here. So it is just named part. Afterwards, just click on this plus icon right here and then just search up for Surface GUI. So just click on that and then there you go. So under Surface GUI, what you want to do again is click on the plus icon right here again and then just simply click on text label. And then there you go. We now have our text label. So in here we can now edit the details of our text label right here. So you can edit out the anchor point settings right here. So for example, I'll just set it to 0.5 to 0.5. There you go. You can also edit out the other settings right here, like the border pixel size, the border mode, etc, etc. So when I just hover around this, you can see that we now have our text right here in our part. So what you can also do is change its position right here. So yep, for example, I'll just set it again to 0.5 to 0.5. Go. And there you go. So you can see that our text is now in the middle. So what you can do now is scroll down until you see font face right here. So in here, you can change out the font. So for example, I'll use this font right here, which is called Bangers. Let's say I want to change its style. So I'll set it to bold. There you go. You can also edit out some other details right here. And then if you want to change the text for your text right here, just head over to text and then just replace it to anything you like. So for example, I'll just name it sample. And there you go, the text has now been changed. Afterwards, if you want to change the text size as well, you can configure it here too. So there you go, you can use the slider over here. What you can also do is use this option right here, which is called text scale, which will just scale the size of your text depending on the size of your part. So yeah, so when I click on this, as you can see that it will set the size of the font to its maximum size depending on the size of your part right here. So yeah, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add text in Roblox Studio.